Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to improve the lighting effects with the Govee Immersion kit. Now I came across this fix by complete fluke. So I was making a video and in some instances the colors were so off, it was a bit shocking really when you saw it. You thought it's no way syncing with this. Now quite a surprising thing here. So I've got a TV unit here from IKEA and the surface on there is a white shiny surface. So you get a reflection coming back off. Now, this is what the issue is with the Govee Immersion. So it's using a camera and the camera is trying to pick up as much light around there. And the reflections you're getting off the surface is what's causing the issue here. So what I did is cover the entire surface with a black piece of paper, which had no shine on there. It's just a matte finish. I also put a felt mouse mat, but you don't have to put that. Just anything that will avoid a shine being picked up by the camera. In the Govee app, I'm using their sync center, and this is syncing all the different LED components I've got around, so that syncs together. And what I've done with the brightness, I've changed that to 60%. Reason I've taken it down so it's not too overwhelming for the camera and you can see a better representation. Saturation levels I've taken down to the minimum, and you can see there it's set to part and movie. And now here's some sample footage for you to take a look at the effect that's had. So I've got two different sets of footage here, one with a TV unit not covered and the other one with a TV unit covered. And you can see for yourself the major difference it makes. So I never thought this could be the issue with the lighting problems with this. So now, first of all, looking at the color wheel, you can see there's not much of a difference there between the two. Colors are coming along quite nicely on there. Now playing some video footage, you can see for yourself now there's not as many reds in there, there's not many purples in there. There's a bit of a variation in color going on. Moving on to gaming now, we've got Astro's Playroom here, and you can see the colors transitioning around. More of a variation of colors coming in there, and you can see the difference it makes immediately. Moving on to racing, this is Gran Turismo Sport, and immediately it's a massive difference on here. You can see for yourself, the reds are all gone now. It just looks normal, the colors you see going around, just a variation, and it's lighter colors as well. Really surprised at seeing, I didn't think it would make such a dramatic difference on this one. And now onto Fortnite, and this one was pretty bad at times. Sometimes the whole area around the TV was completely red. And you can see the difference now. You got a variation of colors trying to mimic what's there. Obviously the same problems with speed will still be there. If you've got fast action, a lot of movement going on, then obviously the camera needs to keep up with that and replicate the colors. So you will see a slight lag with that. But general performance with the TV unit covered is 100 times better, I've got to say. So there you go. I hope it's helped anyone having issues with their Govee Immersion kit. And this is an easy fix to get the color representation sorted. Just get some material or paper to cover your TV unit so there's no reflection coming off it. Hang around if you want to see all the sample footage. I'll have it playing just after this. If you're new to the channel, hope you can subscribe and hit that bell icon to be informed of my next release. Thanks for viewing and see you in the next one.